Hello viewers, what's the first coin that comes to your mind when I say cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, right? But did you know that there are actually more than 12,000 cryptocurrencies in existence? And that is why this video isn't going to be about Bitcoins, it's about altcoins. Today I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to know about them. But wait, there's more. In this video I give you 5 insider tips for investing in altcoins, so be sure to watch it to the end. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Before I begin telling you about the best altcoins for the next bull run and altcoin investment, let's first talk about the basics. What exactly are altcoins? Basically, every cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin is an altcoin. Some even consider altcoins to be cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, since the majority of the cryptocurrencies are code copies of the two. To make it clearer for you, the words alternative and coin merge together to give these coins the name altcoins. And guys, it's really important to remember that altcoins belong exclusively to the blockchain they are created for. Plus, if you look at its history a little, you'll find that Litecoin was the first altcoin, and it was forked from the Bitcoin blockchain back in 2011, and then Ether emerged. And you should really know the key differences between Bitcoin and altcoins. These differences include longevity, because Bitcoin has actually been around for more time than altcoins. Value, because if you look at the history of the market, then Bitcoins have surely been higher in price. And last, utility. You should know that altcoins offer various functions and capabilities as compared to Bitcoin, which is just considered a store of value. Okay guys, so before we dive deep into altcoins, let's briefly talk about the current state of the market first. 2022 was rather disastrous for major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, and December 2022 was marked by low volatility in the market. Crypto exchange FTX collapsed, and this led to increased regulation of the crypto market, triggering fears of contagion. Now that 2023 is here, experts have already predicted difficulties for investors as interest rates are expected to rise. There are different predictions regarding the market this year. Bitbank says Bitcoin prices will recover by the second half of 2023 to something between $20,000 $50,000, but that depends on the Federal Reserve's ability to control the interest rate hike. At the same time, Standard Chartered warns investors about liquidity issues and bankruptcies that might affect Bitcoin and altcoins. So, what are your predictions for the crypto market in 2023? Tell me in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, so now it's time to talk about what all of you have been waiting for. Altcoin investment. Let me tell you what factors you should keep in mind when investing in altcoins. First, you have to read the market sentiment. And if the sentiment around a particular altcoin that you're interested in is low, then that's actually good for you as an investor. Only buy an altcoin once its hype is over. Community support is also one of the key factors to consider. The actual worth of a crypto project is demonstrated by the engagement and support it receives from its community. The numbers of buyers and sellers drive liquidity in the market, and this is true for altcoins as well. Use case is also important, which is the way to measure community-wide adoption of an altcoin, basically through its usage, application, redemption, and exchange. And if I were to give you an altcoin example of community buy-in, it's meme coins. If a meme coin drops in value, and then through community support such as social media influencers, etc., their value may rise up again, even creating new uses for them. We've seen this happen with Dogecoin. Other factors you guys should consider when looking to invest in altcoins are the project's team, development progress, and also your financial situation, goals, and of course, your risk tolerance. And that takes us to the next thing I want to share with you. which are the risks associated with investing in altcoins. The risks you should be aware of include market volatility, which means you should know that high crypto prices can turn into a nosedive before you know it, and there is potential for scams and fraud. That's right, guys. There are also hacking risks and cybersecurity threats, along with reputation risks, market access, and technical risks. And here's a bonus tip for you guys. Make sure that a reputable third party has audited and verified the code of the altcoin you're buying. Some altcoins that have failed or proved to be frauds in the past include OneCoin, which was one of the early crypto scams. BitConnect is another fraud coin, as just a few months after its hype, it was worth nothing, and those who invested in it lost everything. One more altcoin that badly failed was Boring Coin. Perhaps as its name suggests, it was too boring to have any hype at all. Another recent example of an altcoin that badly failed is Nano Healthcare Token. So guys, now let's move on to the criteria for selecting the best altcoins. There are various factors you have to check out, such as the potential for growth, adoption rate, and technology. If an altcoin is already at its peak, then you need to first analyze if it has potential for growth. Otherwise, it may go downhill from there. Plus, the altcoin should use up-to-date technology, or else it'll be out of date pretty quickly. And as far as the adoption rate is concerned, Bitcoin surely has the highest, but some altcoins, such as Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, and Dogecoin do so too. So check if the altcoin you're eyeing has a good adoption rate to avoid any risks. Another criterion is a successful project team, because a team that's new in the crypto world might not have the full potential to reach its goals. With all of this, having a price history that includes a gradual increase in value over time is another criterion, mainly because coins with extreme highs face abrupt lows, which indicates a pump and dump scenario, also called a rug pull, where prices of coins are often raised suddenly by creating false hype, and then they are suddenly sold off instantly for profit. The final criterion is utility. The altcoin that's best has to have utility in the blockchain ecosystem. This doesn't mean the altcoin needs to have a practical purpose, because often they don't have one at all. Utility tokens are one example, such as the basic attention token BAT, which is used by advertisers to pay for ads on the Brave browsers, which blocks ads by default. And in case a coin doesn't have utility, it should have great community support, as I mentioned earlier. So, in conclusion, the factors you need to keep in mind when investing in altcoins include the market scenario, community support, the development progress of the coin, and also your level of risk tolerance. And the criteria to determine how fit an altcoin is for investment are its potential for growth, adoption rate, the technology the coin uses, and the project team and utility of the altcoin. And the potential risks associated with investing in altcoins include market volatility and the potential for fraud. And now, to make it easier for you, I'm going to give you a list of altcoins that are likely to perform well during the next bull run. 10. VetChain, a cryptocurrency platform that uses blockchain technology to provide supply chain management solutions, with a focus on transparency, traceability, and authenticity of products and goods. 9. Everdome, a cryptocurrency platform focused on providing decentralized finance solutions, including yield farming, liquidity pools, and lending borrowing services. 8. Moonriver MOVR, a cryptocurrency platform built on the Polkadot network, focused on building decentralized applications and providing interoperability between different blockchain networks. 7. Litecoin LTC, a cryptocurrency that is similar to Bitcoin, but with faster transaction times and lower transaction fees. 6. Polygon-Matic, a cryptocurrency platform designed to provide fast and low-cost transactions for decentralized applications and blockchain projects. 5. Cardano, a cryptocurrency platform that uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and is focused on scalability, security, and sustainability. 4. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency originally created as a joke, but now used for tipping and micropayments on social media platforms. 3. XRP, a cryptocurrency designed for fast and secure cross-border payments and transactions on the Ripple network. 2. Binance Coin BNB, a cryptocurrency used for discounted trading fees on the Binance exchange, as well as for payment and utility purposes within the Binance ecosystem. 1. Ether, a cryptocurrency used to power decentralized applications and execute smart contracts on the Ethereum network. Lastly, before I end this video, here are the 5 insider tips to distinguish you from all the amateurs and newbies and help you become a pro-level investor in altcoins. First, you have to look for projects with strong fundamentals. It's extremely important to invest in projects that have a solid team, development progress, and community support. Next, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's always a good idea to diversify your portfolio across different altcoins and projects. Stay informed and up to date. The crypto market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in the industry. Be patient and disciplined. Investing in altcoins is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's important to be patient and disciplined in your approach. Lastly, you gotta have a clear exit strategy. Having a clear exit strategy in place enables you to know when to sell or hold your investments. So, guys, that was it for today. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to watch more crypto-related videos for tips and financial recommendations for nuts, crypto, stocks, and basically everything related to the financial world. Subscribe to our channel.